Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about animated containers and we will be using that animated container to perform simple animations on a container widget. So let's get started. So we will be creating a container widget in the center of the screen. So for that we will be using center widget and we will be using animated container instead of just simple container. And these animated containers actually take duration as a parameter, and this duration can be anything like milliseconds, seconds or minutes. So we will be taking milliseconds of around 900 milliseconds. And we will be giving it some width, height and also a color. So for animating the container, we have to just define a variable name animate or any other variable you want, and just uh, give it a value as false or true, a boolean value. Then we can use this boolean value to just animate the size of the animated container depending on the uh, tap on the screen. So for that we will be using gesture detector, where we will be toggling the animate variable from false to true and true to false. Thus it will change the animation on the screen. So now you can see that the container is animating on the screen so smoothly, and thus we can also perform many different types of animations using animated containers.